Celebration.
Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on.
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now, 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 now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Time, 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 good time. Time, 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 good time.
Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times.
Good morning to everyone. I came not prepared. Pero, basahin ko na lang, baka maiyak ako along the way. Congratulations on your retirement, Mari Army. On behalf of everyone, we want to thank you for your hard work and countless contributions and dedicated service over the years. I wish you all the best as you embark on this journey. May your retirement be filled with joy and adventure in this new chapter. May you always be happy and healthy and have a fulfilling retirement filled with things you enjoy most. Cheers to a long and happy retirement. Thank you for everything and happy, 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 happy birthday.
Okay, ayan. Thanks so
Hindi
much.
pa ako tapos. O pare Nestor, masusolo mo na si Mari Army.
Happy birthday, Mari Army! Pahaba yata ito ng greeting sa kanya. Wala na yata itong masabi, kaya happy birthday! Kidding aside, si Ma'am Army, kumari ko yan, isa sa mga pinakamasipag na empleyado ng buong Kapitolyo. At isa siya sa most trouble employees sa Pangasinan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Bakit? Itaga-ordaneta siya eh. Araw-araw pa naman niyang tinatravel yung ordaneta to Lingayen. O di ba? Kaya most travel. Di kami taga dito lang eh. Lingayen eh. Ako dyan lang. So, I'm 5 minutes away from our place going to the office. Tulong pa ako. Siguro siya bumiyahe na. At nagpre-prepare na. Ganon siya ka-dedicated. And so, sa ganyang asal ng isang empleyado na iniwasan din niyang maging late, na kung minsan itaik pa niya yung taga dito, kung minsan nalilate pero siya hindi siya nalilate. And kaya isa siya sa mga hinahangaan ko, masipag at dedicated sa kanyang trabaho. So it's time for you to relax, enjoy, and travel na talaga, yung hindi yung ordaneta to Lingayen. Outside Pangasinan, outside the Philippines, and conquer the world. Ika nga. Siguro, di ka namin mamimiss. Hindi hindi ka siguro dahil from time to time baka bibisitahin mo kami pa dito at makikikain or magdadala ng pagkain. Kaya ayun, good luck, Mare. And congratulations on your retirement. Happy birthday!
Ayan, so thank you so much, Sir Gil, sa isang happy birthday.
Sign ko na rin yung message. Good morning po sa ating lahat. To our boss, Madam Verna, our guests, our SP and SD secretaries, and to all of my dear co-workers in the government, and to the Queen of the Day, our birthday celebrant, Madam Army Kanya. I still vividly remember when we started working at the SP Secretariat 33 or 35 years ago. We were young then, but look at us now. Tumanda na rin tayo. Pero okay lang dahil maganda pa rin tayo. Mare, with your long and dedicated years of service to the SP Secretariat, as your colleague, friend, and kumare, thank you for walking your journey with us. I know that the grace of God has strengthened your commitment to public service for long years and maybe for more. As your SP family, your second home celebrates your well-deserved retirement. We say congratulations and happy retirement. You can always come back to your humble home, the SP Secretariat. Again, happy birthday and congratulations.
Ayan. Ma'am Army, since marami na po kayong time, baka may bigla po kayong pakilala at pwede niyo ipakilala kay Ma'am SP.
It's a celebration.
Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times.
Hindi ko na alam ang sasabihin ko, sinabi na lahat. Anyway, happy birthday Ate Army. Happy retirement. Bittersweet ito. Bitter kasi hindi na araw-araw na makikita ka namin doon sa office. Pero makikita pa rin namin. Ayun. Si Ate Army, mula nung magsimula ako sa Sanggunian noong 2004, she has been one among those na tinatakbuhan ko kapag maingunguli-ulo, kapag madaming kung ano-ano na kailangan trabaho. Kasi very reliable si Ate Army. Totoo yung sabi nila, siya siguro yung pinakamatipid. And I am always glad na nasa-stretch namin yung resources sa office. Dahil ang tipid-tipid ng committee division. Yung sila yung re-recycle palagi ng paper. Alam ko dahil kay Ate Army yun. And she has been in the government service for a long time. Nag-start sa national, right, Ate? And then, nung mapunta siya sa province, the province of Pangasinan is very lucky na nagkaroon ng isang Armida Vista Battalion na empleyado. One of the pillars ng Sangguniang Manlalawigan Secretariat Office. Alam ko kung bakit nag-imbento ng legislative tracking system na online. Dahil na-amaze sila sa ledger ni Ate Army, feeling ko. Pero kahit ang dami-dami ng legislative tracking system na computer-based, wala pa rin tatalo dun sa ledger ni Ate Army. Kaya that is one legacy na pwede mong na maiiwan mo sa amin. At pag may copyright yun, papaka-copyright ko yun in your name. Ayun. So thank you, Ate Army, for the service to Pangasinan. But more than anything else, thank you for being a friend to me. Thank you na nandyan ka palagi. Alam mo na yun. And mamimiss ka namin, pero hindi masyado. Kasi babalik-balik to. Start October na Oh, ako daw. Starting October, babalik siya. Ayun. So, in the meantime, enjoy yourself. Mag-travel ka naman. Kung matuloy yung travel, Kuya Nestor, kung matuloy yung travel namin, sasama siya. Ha? Na hindi ka kasama. Ayun. Anyway, happy retirement, Ate Arnie. Magkaapo ka na sana. And i-enjoy mo yung hindi ka na kailangan gumising ng maagang maaga para mag-report sa office ng 8 o'clock in the morning. May inggit kami lahat sa'yo kasi nasa office na yung karamihan, ikaw ay tulog na tulog pa. Good luck sa lahat ng endeavors mo from now on. And ay, matagal na pala niya ini-enjoy yung 20% discount. Ano? Ayun. So, happy birthday, Ate Arnie. Enjoy your day.
Alright, so thank you so much, ma'am, for that well wish.
Ayan, good morning po. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Attorney Verna, good afternoon. And fellow secretaries, good afternoon. Kanina po nung kinukuha yung full name ko, sabi ko, sagot ko sa kanila, sa audience lang ako ha. Parang alam ko na ito. Okay, so Manang Army, mula po 2012, yun na yung haba ng pagpapasalamat ko sa iyo dahil parati ka namin kinukulit, parati ka namin iniistorbo. So pag meron akong problema sa Sangguniang Bayan, Manang Army is just a call away. So Manang, maraming salamat sa lahat ng assistance mo sa Sangguniang Bayan ng Villasis and also sa support mo po sa Plices, Pangasinan at sa LESAP. Ayan, pagka meron kaming seminar, natawagan ko siya, Manang, attend naman kayo, pampadami. Sabi niya, sige, sasabihin ko kay Attorney Verna. Magpapaalam mo namin, muna kami kay Vice Go. And then, andun ka agad sila. At ang dami-dami niyang kasama ang lahat ng madaming staff ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Ayan, Manang Arnie, maraming salamat po and happy birthday, happy retirement. And gusto po tawagan lahat po ng secretaries po ng Pangasinan, Sangguniang Secretaries, kasi meron kami ibibigay sa'yo. Kasi baka sa Christmas party hindi ka mag-attend, kaya dito na namin ibibigay. Kasama rin po ang President ng LESAP, si Mabel.
Your celebration.
Okay, so warm applause for Ma'am Army. Ayan. Ay, parang gusto ko yan.
At meron pa po kaming pasobre ang Princess and LESAP. And then ibabalik din namin yung mga na-contribute niyang annual dues kasama nung gift from LESAP.
Wow!
Celebrate good times, come on.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Nung na-meet ko po si Ma'am Army, makapal pa ang buhok ko. Ngayon, nagbabay na yung ibang buhok ko, pero si Ma'am Army magbababay na din. But our friendship will continue until our life ends. Basahin ko na lang din po yung message ko. Nag-search po ako ng meaning ng red flowers at mostly it speaks of love. But not only that, it speaks of courage, it speaks of respect and remembrance. Courage for facing all the stressful work, of course, hindi po madali yung work nyo, but you were able to face it. Respect, based po sa video, na-earn nyo ang respect, love and confidence ng mga co-workers po ninyo. And hindi lang co-workers, but lahat po nang nakamit sa inyo, and even me. Remembrance, yung pong upuan nyo and table nyo that you hold for so many years will now be empty. Pero may ibang upo doon. You might not be physically there, but your memory will live on. Hindi lang po now, kasi mayroon pang sinabi si Attorney Verna na yung journal or yung legislative tracking nyo is kakaiba, which is nakakabilib talaga. I am blessed that in my lifetime and in my career, nag-cross po ang path natin. Tulad nga po ng sinabi ni Ma'am Catherine, na kung minsan kayo ang tinatawagan namin pag na-stress kami sa aming mga sanggunian. And kayo ang tumatawag sa amin pag may mga mali sa ordinances namin o may mga kulang. Thank you very much, ma'am. We will surely miss that. A chapter of your life ended and a new one opens before you. And I pray to God na He will always be there for you and your family. Words are not enough to give thanks. And it is an honor to stand here in front of everybody to testify your goodness and your dedication sa inyong trabaho. And once again, thank you very much, Ma'am. We will surely miss you. We love you and dalhin niyo po yung pagmamahal po ng bawat isa sa inyong pong graduation day. God bless po.
From LGU Rosales, ako po yung nagpapasalamat ng malaki sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan and in particular today kay Ma'am Army Batalla. Ako po ay naging secretary ng Sangguniang Bayan ng Rosales starting 2014. Nagsimula po ako sa DepEd muna for 14 years at 11 years na po bilang SB Secretary. And mahirap po yung transition ko from DepEd na wala po akong masyadong background at sa paggawa po o pagtugon sa aking mandato, marami po akong mga hindi alam. And dito po kay Madam Army Batalla, I am very grateful po sa kanya. Sa kanyang malaking suporta po sa Sangguniang Bayan ng Rosales. I think masyado po kaming na-spoil. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanya kasi kapag committee hearing talagang lumilipad na po kami. Yung mga Sangguniang Bayan members, magla-lunch pa. Pero ako, aligaga na kapag nag-ring na yung phone ko, si Ma'am Army na yung tumatawag at naghahanap sa amin. And with this, sa mga requirements na kung minsan kulang kami or may na-overlook, ako po ay very grateful kay Ma'am Army for being so understanding, ma'am. At sa pagsuporta sa amin, indeed, yung inyong nagawa sa Rosales, and especially po sa trabaho ko na mag-coordinate from SB Rosales to Sangguniang Panlalawigan ay wala pong kapantay. So maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta, ma'am. And you are a blessing to all of us, Sangguniang Bayan secretaries po. And I'm sure God has planned everything for you, and indeed, I pray that you continue even after po ng retirement ninyo sa a new phase in your life. Enjoy your retirement with good health and looking forward po na the best phase daw nga po, sabi ni Sec Noel Acosta ay magkaapo na. I pray for that, for your family, na maging masagana, malusog, at very happy po, and still under the grace of God. Yun lang po. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Yeah, so thank you so much po, ma'am.
So bago ang lahat, gusto kong tawagin ang ating mga kasama sa Committee Affairs Division para i-occupy natin itong stage with Ma'am Army. Kala nyo ako lang, ha? So, on behalf of the Committee Affairs Division, we salute you, Ma'am Army, for a job well done. Yeah, so happy birthday and thank you for always guiding us sa Community Affairs Division sa pag-accomplish ng ating mga IPCRs and sa mga accomplishment natin sa ating division. So, thank you for your guidance and the knowledge that you have imparted among us, and we hope that hindi doon nagtatapos ang iyong pag-guide sa amin. So, you're just one call away, right? Yan, so muli, binabati ka namin ng isang maligayang kawan and enjoy your pension.
Ilang percent mo yun?
Yan, so may mga magme-message sa atin sa ating division. Nandiyan si Jason.
Alright, so happy birthday and congratulations po Ma'am Arnie, and salamat po sa dati po akong sa research, pero ako po ay kinuha nila and ako po ay thankful dahil patuloy yung mentor po sa amin sa community division. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Arnie.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po sa ating Community Affairs Division family. Picture taking.
This is your celebration.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sana hindi na ako magsasalita kasi hindi naman kami magkakalayo. Magsasama naman kami habang buhay, di ba? Bakit kami pinagsalita? Kayo okay lang sana. Anyway, una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga narinig ko na pagpupuri sa aking asawa. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa mga narinig ko. Ngayon ko lang narinig ng mga ganyan na pagpupuri sa aking asawa. Yung sa aming part naman, sa aming pamilya, yung aming part ng mag-asawa, 36 years ago, kinasal po kami. Tama. 36 years. So, matagal na po kami sasama. At sa pagkakataon na yan ay nagpapasalamat ako sa suporta, sa paggagay, pagpapalaki sa ating mga anak. May 3 po kaming anak na puro lalaki. Natapos na rin sila lahat. So, salamat sa support. Yung support mo rin sa akin sa ating trabaho, vice versa sa support ko rin sa iyo. Maganda yung team namin. Team A, Team B. Ay, ako pala B. Armida, Batalya. Team A, Team B. So, ang wish ko lang ay kasi palagi nagpaplano na travel. So, nagpaalam na Attorney Burns na sasama siya sa Vietnam. Inaproban ko na yon. Vietnam ba yun? Basta approve na po yun. Wala pang time. Nagbiyahe na rin kami minsan sa Thailand with the family. Pero yung 2 lang kami, wala pa. Siguro sa sa Boracay na lang. Mas malaki. Anyway, again, yung iba, ibubulong ko na lang mamayang gabi. Hindi ko na, para hindi nyo marinig. So, again, happy birthday and congratulations sa iyong retirement na napakahabang pagsisilbi sa gobyerno. Ako may mahigit 3 taon pa ako magsiservisyo. Medyo 3 taon mahigit yung aming difference, yung gap. Sana matapos ko rin yung 65 years na pagsiservice sa ating provincial government. Para pag mag-retire din ako, sana siguro ganito rin ano. Kukunin ko rin si MC, ano ba yung MC niyo? I-import kita. So, inyo lahat, sa ating mga kaibigan, ng mga sekretaris ng Sangguniang Bayan, Sangguniang Panglunsod, sa mga kasama mo sa opisina, yung mga ating mga bisita, Andyan yung mga ibang opisina, andyan yung ating budget officer, si Ma'am Doris, andyan yung mga taga-BAC, salamat, si Ate Philly. Salamat po. Again, love you.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po, sir.
It's a celebration.
First of all, thanks be to God for this day. God has been good to me for the past 65 years. God gave and is still giving me the courage, the strength, wisdom, and dedication to serve here at the provincial capital for more than 3 decades. 38 years ko po sa province and 5 years with them abolished Ministry of Human Settlements. Parang kailan lang when I was appointed as Mapalito sa Pinista Officer 5 sa Sangguniang Panlalagay ng Secretariat. Nangangapa, kinakabahan, pero puno ng pag-asa at excitement. Hindi ko akalain na aabot ako ng ganitong katagal. Throughout the years, I have witnessed not only the changes in our workplace, but also the growth of the people I work with, people around me. The past and present leaders, mga policies na nabago, at mga kasamahan ko. My SB Secretariat family, naging pamilya ko na rin. Shout out sa ating mga anak sa Community Affairs Division. Thank you for bearing with me. There are times, pag may mga pressing matters tayong pinapagawa sa atin, nagiging, admit it, masungit ako. Truly, this office has been my second home. Working with many bosses is not always easy. May mga deadlines to beat, madaming challenges. Pero sa bawat challenge, natuto akong maging matibay, naging patient, at higit sa lahat, maging dedicated sa aking trabaho. And I'm proud to say na sa lahat ng taon na yon, I gave my best. To Ma'am Verna, thank you for the trust and guidance. Ang tiwala at respeto na ibinigay ninyo sa akin serves as my inspiration para pagbutihin ko ang aking trabaho. To my office mates, super thank you. Hindi lang kayo laking katrabaho, naging kaibigan at kapamilya na rin kayo sa akin. Yung tawanan, kwentuhan, kumustahan, sometimes may tampuhan at iyakan, will always be cherished. To all the Sangguniang Bayan and Palunsod secretaries who came over, thank you for your presence, and patience whenever I call on you to submit a document lacking, to remind you to attend the committee hearing on such day. I will miss you all. To my other guests, Ate Feli, Ate Fe, mga ka-co-commuters ko, I call them co-commuters kasi sila yung kasama kong bumabiyahe araw-araw from Ordaneta to Lingayen. I will all miss you. And of course to my family, though my sons cannot make it today because of the respective work, I thank them because they are my inspiration to make good in my job. To my husband, Nes, thank you for the love and support you showered me since day one that you said, I love you. Now that I'm retiring, I feel a mix of emotions. May konting lungkot dahil mamimiss ko ang trabaho at mga katrabaho ko. Pero may saya na rin akong nafe-feel dahil I'm closing this chapter with fulfillment and opening a new one with hope and peace. Sabi nga nila, retirement is not an end, but it is the beginning of a new chapter. Kaya as I say goodbye to my service here, I carry with me the memories, the lessons, and the friendship that I will forever treasure. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. This is not farewell. see you around. Thank you.
Celebrate, party with you. Come on now, now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Good time. Good time. Your celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on.
Thank you so much, and thank you for coming. It made my day.
Yeah. Okay,